In an awe-inspiring feat that held the world in suspense for a nerve-wracking 63 days, the Ingenuity Mars helicopter has finally broken its radio silence, making triumphant contact with NASA's mission control. This groundbreaking achievement marks the first-ever powered and controlled flight of a machine on another planet, solidifying its place in history. The Ingenuity Mars helicopter embarked on its extraordinary journey alongside the Perseverance Mars rover back in July 2020. After their touchdown on the Red Planet on 18 February 2021, the dynamic duo remained bonded, with Ingenuity relying on the rover for operational support and a means to communicate with Earth. Recently, Ingenuity undertook its 52nd flight on Mars, a daring mission aimed at capturing new images of the planet's enigmatic surface for researchers. However, on 26 April, the helicopter's signal mysteriously vanished, much to the dismay of the mission controllers at the NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California. The culprit was soon discovered to be a formidable hill that stood between the Perseverance rover and Ingenuity, effectively blocking their communication link. Undeterred by this obstacle, the tenacious team at NASA predicted such challenges and had already devised recontact plans for the moment the rover could re-establish visual contact with the helicopter. The wait was intense, but on 28 June, Perseverance paid off as the rover finally crested the hill and Ingenuity's signal illuminated the screens at Mission Control. Flight 52, covering a distance of 1,191 feet and lasting 139 seconds, successfully accomplished its mission, repositioning the helicopter for its grand task. The region of Jezero crater under exploration is rugged and treacherous, making communication dropouts a plausible scenario. Nevertheless, the team's relentless pursuit of knowledge keeps Ingenuity at the forefront, pushing the boundaries of communication and exploration on Mars. The return of communication with Ingenuity brought relief and elation to the entire team, and the results from the flight data were immensely gratifying. If all continues to go well during further health checks, the intrepid rotorcraft may soon embark on yet another extraordinary adventure within the coming weeks. Flight 53, the next ambitious target for Ingenuity, sets its sights on an interim airfield to the west, with plans for an ensuing flight to a new base of operations near a captivating rocky outcrop that has caught the Perseverance team's interest. Behind this groundbreaking mission stands the expertise and dedication of the Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, which manages the project on behalf of NASA headquarters. Valuable support from NASA's Science Mission Directorate, as well as essential contributions from NASA's Ames Research Center in California and Langley Research Center in Virginia, played pivotal roles in the development of Ingenuity. Industry partners, including AeroVironment Incorporated, Qualcomm, and Solero, added their expertise, contributing to the design and supply of crucial vehicle components. And let's not forget Lockheed Space, the mastermind behind the ingenious Mars helicopter delivery system. Heading this ambitious project at NASA headquarters is Program Executive Dave Lavery, guiding the team to new heights in human achievement. As we witness the unfolding of this historic expedition, the world holds its breath, celebrating the audacity of humanity to reach for the stars and unlock the mysteries of the cosmos, one flight at a time.